What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is the High Yield Investor. We're going to do our weekly update on our options trading income series. Let's see how we did this week. All right, so everything expired out of the money this time. So we had nothing, no puts assigned, no calls called away. So this week I decided, instead of selling a put, I went ahead and bought 100 shares of CIFR at $15.50 and went straight to selling a call on them. So there won't be anything on the put side this week. Robinhood, we sold one call at 105. It paid us $34, but we pushed that out to March the 20th. And these SoFi were already at March the 20th. Then we sold 4 calls on QBTS at $25. Paid us $257. We pushed that out to March the 20th. We still have our IonQ out to the 27th that we sold last week. And then our 100 shares of Cipher, we sold $17 calls, paid us $97, and we put that out till the 27th. So our total premiums this week were $389.04. Now, we don't have anything expiring Friday on the 20th. This is a short week, so premiums were not good this week, so we pushed everything out. So we won't make any premiums next week, but all right, $389.04 this week. Let's add that to our year to date. $389.04. It's week 13. Today's the 17th because yesterday was President's Day. Copy. So that puts us $7,792 so far. I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 for next week, week 14, because we're not going to have anything. That'll be 223. So I'm going to go ahead and put that out now. I already know that, unless somebody assigns us early, which I don't think will happen. So, all right, so might as well say at week 14 we'll have $7,792 on our calculator. Week 14 we should have $4,800, so we're almost $3,000 ahead still. So we're in good shape there. The market's really been kind of crazy the last week or so. So we'll check back. Actually, we'll check back in 2 weeks because there's not going to be anything next week to check on. So I'll be back in 2 weeks with another update. We'll have at least these IonQ and Cipher. They'll be expiring next week. We have $592 to add towards any premiums we get. I don't know if that'll be enough to sell another put, but we'll check back and see if any of these get called away. So until next time, this is the High Yield Investor signing off.